Sarap ng kape. Parang mag-addict na ako ng kape ah. Ano naman ako nagkakape? Huwag lang ganyan kape. Ha? Huwag lang ganito na? Oo. Kape na talaga natural. Oo, na pure. Marami ng halo. She's going to the ER? She's not going to work, right? No, she's not good. She's not gonna going to work. Oh, yeah. And Madam said, reminder, cook the plantain with plantain. Plantain, banana for the halo-halo. Oh, and with langka. Ano English ng langka? Ang English ng langka? I don't know. I never got that. The yellow, the sweet, is in the jar. Cook it together. Yeah. Oh yeah, jackfruit, yeah. Need to heat up your food, chocolate? Yeah, okay. Kasi mga tao, nagkatawa natin ng mga pagkain na ayun. Ayun, pwede na kaya pure coffee, walang gatas, black talaga. Ayun, iba ganun din. Mag-black coffee lang sila, walang asukal, ano. Yeah, we have. Only water. Which one? Only the water. Yeah. Only the nuts on the so. Oh, you put salt in there? Yeah. Already? Okay. The tripe, huh? Not the beef. Only tripe. Only tripe. Paano ka nakalisot? Paano kang magician? May susi dito ba? Ha? Meron kang ano? Susi daw yan. Ibang susi yan. Paano ka nga bakit? Susi yun. Tanong mo sarili mo. So, aga-aga tumatawag, kumakain ako. Sino? Ba? Kulang ng tubig. Marami akong viewers sa YouTube. Oh? Sukli, have food. Hindi makita? Niluto niya kagabi? Kuya. Pag nandito si Apat lang na piraso. Pag nandito si Cortapia, mag-hire naman yan. Saan po? Hindi ka naman nagdadala. Big-glaze ko lang yan. Hindi ka pala siya ng all-star. Maring sa mga at dito mo lang. Para makawang
Over natin chicken nito ah. Over na lang. Over na lang ito. Aubrey!
Yes!
Why can touch my butt again? Accident?
Don't eat too.
Oh, 911.
Oh, yeah, but
Oh, what's the burn? This is all already burned. Over. Put over there to the freezer. Burn.
Okay, is that banana? I don't know where that
Hold
up. The barbecue that's here. Maybe so.
Parang
There's a banana. She wanted to cook banana. Yeah. Maybe inside. We'll finish this and then I'm gonna make that. All the vegetables.
Ayan. Dami na kasi, dami na.
Yeah, bring it from home, okay? Did I never eat fresh vegetables? Like that? Like that? Yes, yes.
Hala.
Good. What? It's really good. Oh? It did not kill all the vitamins. Right here. Oh, that one? I made it. From ground pork belly. My Filipino friend. Ground pork belly? Never eat before. They like always ask for it. You like cooked vegetable, right? Yeah. I did not. We Cambodia, we eat fresh and we also have cooked that. Also too, so we make stock. But you know what? If you eat fresh, all the vitamins, everything. Yeah. Avoid ko na ko, kainin mo daw yan. Yeah?
Sarap na bulay.
Oh, try it. Yeah. Eggplant? Eggplant na hilaw? Wow. Guys, we're gonna eat raw vegetable. This is the sauce. We're gonna dip this in the sauce. Eggplant. Like this, oh. I will try it. Ito dito no, kainin natin na raw vegetable. Ikit natin dito. Parang Thailand style. Yeah. Diba? Right? The Thailand is like that, no? Yeah, because we are neighbor countries. But this is the Thailand don't have this stuff. Oh, okay. Only Cambodia. I'll try it. It's a different food, not the same taste. Finish this first.
Uy, may order tayo ng 30, pansit. Yeah.
Lepas si Rutin. Oh, I see it right here. No add water? Oh, add water or no? Add water. Again. Ask first. Hala. The plug tape.
Dapat i-time-lapse mo.
Ha? Hindi, inedit ko yan. Inedit yan. Dami na sa akin. Sa YouTube.
Sama mo ko ah.
Oo, sama ko. Ay.
Okay.
Ikoy, mag-record ikoy. Ikoy guys, halika na ta.
Ano na, ano na, ano? masyadong tao kapon, di ba?
Wala. Ngayon, marami ata. Friday. Minsan Friday, wala din masyadong tao. Wait na! Ready na tayo po next. Wait lang.
O yung mga lads, dito kita yun. Breda, inatamboy na ako na. Fritada! Chicken and fritada, you can put that carrots and tomato and tomato sauce or something. Ano mo na yung fryer? Sabi mo sa jacket ba?
Start cooking daw na. 9:50.
25 daw ha? Yeah. Ayan, 20. Daw, tulungan mo nga ako.
Kasi Rodel, wala pa naman si Jen, wala magtutuho. Lumpia. Lumpia Shanghai. Shanghai. Yes, okay. I will. Raw vegetable. Breakfast.
Ito tinago na naman nila yan, no? Lag?
Kaya ng vegetable.
Nandun na. Bang. Sa atin, station natin. Minsan na naman. Alam ko siya kung wala pa rin.
Cambodian soap. Fish. Pampano.
Master. Wala silang team master. Okay.
Yeah, kain na.
Bawing mana.
Kain mo na. Food needs chocolate.
Sige. Bari mga laro. Try ko ito nga. Parang iba, sarap na sarap nito eh. Yung eggplant mo lang ito.
Oh, don't be like that.
I will try the eggplant. Raw eggplant.
Aku.
Higit natin.
Yo.
Kaya natin yung lasa. Okay man. Yeah.
Lagi hero.
No. Spicy.
Ano yung mangan?
Good it. Spicy. Sarap siya ito. Eggplant.
Cái đọt đây nè. Ôi trời.
Matamis yung eggplant. Sweet. Ito naman. Cucumber.
Ilang ganito? Sarap to.
Sarap? Sarap daw sabi ng Ikoy. Cucumber. Ito naman. Ano nga tawag sa atin?
Sabyan.
No. Hindi. Andito na nasa bahay ko po to, di ba? Sigarilyas?
Ha?
Sigarilyas?
Sigarilyas.
Sigarilyas. Sigarilyas at mani.
Sigarilyas at mani.
Sigarilyas. Try ko. Sarap. Diba? Not bad. It's good. Yeah.
If it's a sauce, Ikoy,
Mhm.
you don't like so much vegetable, it's a bit more sauce.
Yeah.
Very good.
Did I get that? In a cycle market.
This one, let's try.
Met you guys Philippines, always say, oh, you eat fresh vegetables.
Sitaw.
And
Let's try the sitaw.
eat my vegan. And they keep eating and I'm starved. Yeah, I have Filipino friends. They ask the same thing. They're like, you eat fresh vegetable? Then I said, just try it first. Then if you don't like it, you don't like it.
Ah, may apple.
It's pineapple. Sorry.
May apple.
Pineapple.
Ano ko gulay?
Lasang sitaw pero pag isaw-saw mo dito, masarap. Lasang sitaw pero pag isaw-saw mo sa ano,
Tininyakan.
yun lang, cabbage. Mas masarap ang cabbage eh. Cabbage. Naging baka tayo nito. Naging baka ako nito. Oh, yan ha?
Dami ko ay gulay.
Tinry ko lahat. Yan o.
I know the door open.
Meron. No service now.
You can make it spicy. You want spicy? Put the chili.
Huh?
You like it? You want it to be spicy? Put the chili in it. Chili flakes.
Good.
Dito?
Ayan. Ba naman tayo?
Ah.
Diba? Wala na tayo. Okay, sabay na tayo.
Ate, bayad niya. Ha? Ano yan? Pangalan? Yan ang pangalan niya?